It rained. Rained hard last night. You doing your exercises? Huh?
Do you see any garbage cans over here?
Let's go listen to some Irish music. The Celtic or Celtic? How you say it, babe? Celtic dancers and singers. 2 o'clock show. It is raining. Yep. Other side of Branson in the nasty weather. You always gotta have Ripley's, believe it or not, eh? There's a ghost man up there. That's a miniature goth man there. And then the Branson Tower up there, kind of hard to see.
Oh man, that was talking to him about
To the frog there. Man. And the Ferris wheel's still going. In the rain. Branson Ferris wheel, that's what it's called. Huh. Wonder why. Well, we can see the Branson Tower over there. There's the Ripley's, believe it or not. I think this is it. Okay. I don't kill myself coming in here. Tickets? Yeah, I thought it was going to be slippery.
Good seats, Mom. I'm sorry. Is it good seats?
Yeah.
What am I called?
Well, that was good. I didn't expect the Christmas theme.
No, me neither.
But Clay Cooper's good.
Well, some people behind us were saying.
This is the Titanic.
Police.
Yep. Man.
Oh, they don't go on
Helicopter.
tonight.
No.
Oh, once
Yeah.
one
We're
show
coming back the
night.
same way we came in.
It alternates 8 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 2 o'clock.